Hello everyone, welcome to Fit Food and Yoga channel. Today I am going to show you how to make Jowar Puttu. Before going to the recipe, let me introduce you to the benefits of Jowar flour. Jowar flour is low in glycemic index which helps prevent spike in blood sugar. It improves digestion. It is rich in fiber and protein. It is packed with essential minerals which promotes the health of bones and helps to lose weight. It is rich in antioxidants and rich quantity of potassium and phosphorus in jowar flour helps lower cholesterol and manage high BP. Take 1 cup of jowar flour and add it to a bowl. Add salt as per taste. I am adding 1 by 4 teaspoon of salt to the flour. Now mix the salt nicely with the flour. Take 3 by 4 cup of water and add it to the flour part by part. You would know that the flour is ready to be cooked by taking a small part of the flour and press it in the hand. If it is holding the shape, the flour is ready to be cooked. This is how the flour looks like after adding 3 by 4 cup of water. Take the puttu maker, meanwhile add water to the pressure cooker and keep it on the stove. When the steam starts escaping through the pressure cooker, take the puttu maker, add 1 teaspoon of grated coconut. Now add the jowar flour which is mixed previously. Now add 1 tablespoon of grated coconut on top of the jowar flour. Keep it in the pressure cooker and close the lid. After 2 minutes, you can see that the steam is escaping through the holes on top of the puttu maker. Wait again for 2 minutes. So on total, it would take around 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, the puttu is ready to be served. You can flip the puttu maker on top of a plate and enjoy it with any curry of your choice. I have taken kadala curry, also known as kala chana curry, along with a piece of banana. Jowar flour is available in all the Indian stores in the US. If you are not able to find it, I have provided a link in the description below.